Today we are going to study the French vowel sounds that are nasal sounds. They sound like oh. So here's a very useful phrase for that. The phrase in French is un bon vin blanc. A good white wine. Un bon vin blanc. Vin is wine. Vin blanc, white wine. Un bon vin blanc. So, these are the nasal sounds, basically, and we can see them represented in this IPA representation, symbolic. O, o. Let's start with O, the sound O. That's in O, in the word O. O. Notice that I'm not pronouncing the N. I'm closing my nose, trying to simulate the N. O. I'm not saying an. I'm saying O. Bo. Not pronouncing the N again. Bo. Va. Blanc. Again is un bon vin blanc.